this is the unboxing of bodybuilding. Hello, this is the unboxing of bodybuilding.com. Some stuff from them. I ordered some stuff from them. I got this thing. This is called, I got orange, this thing. This triad is called with greens. Orange triad with greens. There's also this sticker here. It's also this bodybuilding.com sticker. It's where you can win something if bodybuilding.com sticker where you can win something if they choose you on Instagram. I got a free bodybuilding.com shirt because I spent at least $100. Bodybuilding.com shirt because I spent at least $100. Here we have 10 pounds of whey protein isolate, unflavored, of whey protein isolate, unflavored. They also threw in this train magazine for free. They also threw in this train magazine for free. So a full-size magazine. Also, they threw in a free sample of. Also, they threw best in BCAA. Free sample of BCAA. Finally, it's just a packing slip. And finally, it's just a information slip. And that's it.